Every adult in the U.S. likely remembers where they were 15 years ago this morning. On September 11th, 2001, the deadliest terror attacks in U.S. history left nearly 3,000 people dead after 4 commercial planes were hijacked. More than 300 of those killed were firefighters. Today, Austin firefighters paused to remember those lost in the attacks. They held an annual memorial service at the Buford Fire Tower in downtown this morning, where the names of each of the 343 people, those are firefighters who lost their lives, were read.
They're learning this as history as they enter high school, that these incoming freshmen in high school, the first generation or the first kids born after 9/11. So they've lived in that world, and this is for us. We feel like, I feel like I lived it, participating in the aftermath and watching as some of our firefighters went off to New York to assist, talking to them when they get back, working through all the preparations and discussions afterwards when we knew that the country was under attack and what we would do preparing for events like that.
Every generation has that one significant event, and I certainly believe for our generation this was one of those that we should never forget the sacrifices that were made by others.
After the ceremony, Austin firefighters took part in a memorial stair climb. They went to the Pleasant Valley Fire Tower, climbing the same number of stairs firefighters in New York would have to reach the top of the World Trade Center towers. As you can see, they did it in full gear, including an air pack and hose bundles. After coming out of the fire tower, though, they got refreshed by some young helpers.
I learned of it, but I wasn't alive when it happened. It was very scary when I first heard of it.
I have her leave, for shift, and these are always in the background of my head and my mind, and so the fears set in there a little bit, and we just always want to, appreciate those that put their lives.
AFD tells us their stair climb honoring the firefighters lost on September 11th was the first of its kind.